It's Motivational Monday, and Donna Crutch is in, and she's been trying to get us slimmed down for the summer, and we've got recipes. We need recipes, I guess, if we're going to do this, aren't we?
Recipes for fast loss. Let's even call this one the recipe for fast loss. Okay. I love you for being so willing to be my guinea pig, because we don't ever rehearse this stuff. Actually, you didn't even know until I came to the studio today that I was bringing you a recipe for fast loss. Okay. So, live on NBC.
It looks pretty good.
Holly Koza taking a sip of a recipe for fast loss.
Oh, wow. Is there banana in there too?
It's
strawberries, I thought, because
it's pretty much straight strawberry. Good, right?
That's very tasty. Okay, you continue to talk, and I will be.
Okay, so here's a key. To experience fast loss with weight loss, you've got to enjoy it. It can't taste like cardboard.
Right. I think that's the worst part. You're like, oh, I have to eat that.
People are like, I'll just go on the soup diet. Oh, good. Let me be on liquids for 7 days. Nobody wants to do that. So we make sure that we've got really delicious recipes for slushies, sorbets, milkshakes, ice cream that tastes absolutely delicious. You don't feel like you're missing anything because you're not, right? Isn't that wonderful?
This is really wonderful.
One of the real keys, Holly, to fast loss is protein. And a real key is to get 30% of your calories from protein as opposed to fat or carbohydrates, right? It's a very easy formula to figure out. It's one of the things we offer with Superfast Summer Slimdown. Now, the contest entry has passed, but you can still lose up to 21 pounds in 21 days, and certainly the average of 20 pounds in 30 days, enjoying things like that by going to superfastsummerslimdown.com and go into that free seminar. So you can find out what it's all about. Is this right for me? Do I want to enjoy these delicious things? Tell me what you think.
I think it's great, and because, you know, I have a sweet tooth, and I love chocolate and stuff, but I feel like this would stop a craving if you're like, oh, I just need something sweet. This is like really nice.
I'm so glad you said that, because what people don't know is when you put hormones into balance, when you put the body into a place of homeostasis, insulin being one of those hormones. I know I'm probably talking too scientific, but we explain it inside the program. When you put insulin into balance, literally, you have no cravings. The cravings go away. And chocolate's included, by the way.
Oh, good. All right.
So
I'm on board again.
For fast loss is things you love. Things that are delicious, things that have added protein so that your muscle stays intact, you don't experience sarcopenia, which is the loss of muscle, so your metabolism speeds up. Protein will do that for you too. So there are all kinds of amazing things protein will do. Get a product that's at least 15 grams of protein. When you're going to add extra protein, get at least 30% of your calories from protein. Doing just that, you'll lose 1 pound to 2 pounds a week if you did nothing else.
So you didn't even put in exercise or anything like that.
Or any plan. But if you want to lose more, go to superfastsummerslimdown.com.
Right, yeah, exactly. You've got more for us. Well, this was very enjoyable. Thank you very much for bringing this for me. All right, don't go away. First Edition continues in a moment.